flying from the Philippines to Japan? Here's why you need to use Visit Japan Web and how to set it up before your trip. What is Visit Japan Web? It's Japan's official online system for immigration, customs, quarantine. It replaces all the old paper forms. Totally free and way faster at the airport. Magpipill out ka kasi doon pag hindi mo to ginawa. So, why use Visit Japan Web? Skip the paper forms, get fast lane access at immigration and customs, and everything is pre-filled online. You'll get a QR code and just scan it at the airport. You can register anytime before your flight, but do it at least a few days before. Go to visitjapanweb.japan.go.jp. That's the only official site. Don't fall for fake links. Here's how to fill it. Number 1, create an account. Number 2, register your trip details. Number 3, complete the immigration and customs form. Then get your 2 QR codes, one for immigration, one for the customs, and screenshot both codes. And that's it. Show your QR codes at the airport and you're good to go. It's faster, easier, and 100% official. Follow for more Japan travel tips and safe trips sa Tokyo or Osaka mo.